Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Maps embeds into Webflow for better UI locations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Google Maps embeds into Webflow, start by accessing Google Maps. Find the location you want to embed by searching for it in the search bar. Once you locate the desired place, click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select the option that says Share or Embed Map. In the pop-up window, click on the Embed a Map tab. Choose the desired size for your map by selecting from Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. Copy the HTML code provided in the box. Now, open your Webflow project in a new tab. Navigate to the page or section where you want to add the map. Drag and drop an embed component from the Add Elements panel. Click on the newly placed embed component to open the settings. Paste your copied HTML code into the code editor. Then, click on the Save and Close button to confirm. Next, adjust the size of the embed element as needed in your Webflow layout. Preview the page to ensure the map displays correctly. If satisfied, publish your site to make the map accessible to visitors. Review the live page to confirm everything works as intended. This process enhances user experience by providing important location information directly on your site. Integrating Google Maps can make navigation easier for your website visitors. Follow these steps to add dynamic maps effortlessly. Enjoy the enhanced functionality that Google Maps provides within Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.